Ready to skyrocket your website's credibility with the power of Google reviews? First, head over to Google and search for your business name. Locate your business listing in the search results. This is where your reviews live. Next, you'll need to grab your Place ID. The easiest way to get this is to search Google Place ID Finder on Google and use one of the free tools that comes up. Enter your business name and address into the tool. It will then provide you with the correct Place ID. Copy it to your clipboard. You will need it later. Now, let's jump into your website builder. Whether you're using WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or another platform, the process is similar. Search for a Google Reviews plugin or widget. There are many free and paid options available, so choose one that fits your needs and install it. Once installed, activate the plugin and navigate to its settings page. This is where you'll customize how your Google reviews will appear on your website. Here, paste the Place ID you copied earlier into the designated field. Within the plugin settings, you can usually control things like the number of reviews displayed, the minimum star rating, and the overall layout. Customize these settings to match your website's design and create a compelling visual representation of your customer feedback. Save your settings and preview the changes on your website. And that's it. Your website is now showcasing authentic social proof, building trust with potential customers, and enhancing your online presence.